Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing video on this, I already opened it up. It's a PCS gear select module. So basically what it is, it's a push button shifter that actuates a cable that goes underneath the car and pushes on your shift rod inside the transmission. It's operated by these push buttons that are inside your car, a little module. You can mount outside the car, inside the car. You get a nice destruction manual here. It's got plenty of nice color destructions in it. It tells you exactly what not to do. You should read this first instead of just opening the box and putting it off to the side. I think I know what I'm doing. I did take support on this for years, so I think I know what I'm doing. This is a nice wiring harness they include with it. And it's got all your connections on it for your power, your inputs coming in, like your speed input, which is the orange, yellow with the orange. Shut up, Snoopy. And you've also got some, like a brake input here, and sensor ground, and speed output, speed out coming out. So got the harness there, and then the meat and potatoes here. This is the actual module itself, the gear select module, and it's mounted by these 4 holes in the bottom, and it's sealed. It's got an O-ring underneath the seal, underneath this lid here. You should never open this up though, but the end connector is sealed also. That's where the harness connects to it. So you can actually mount this outside the vehicle, and that's why we're pulling this out right now. We kind of got to the point where it's time to go ahead and figure out where we want to stick this, and I think if space will allow us, I'd like to stick it behind the driver or the passenger seat, like beside behind the cage. Got another box here. This looks like the remote. I'm not even going to open this up. I'm just going to leave it wrapped up in here. But that's the push button that goes with it that actuates the whole thing. You can also hook these up with paddle shifters. PCS sells pretty sweet paddle shifters that you can use with these too. And this is the install kit. Basically, this is a short spacing install kit. They have an install kit for long spacing that works on a 4L80E or Turbo 400, etc. But it's for one with the Prindle switch on the side. This is a non-Prindle switch. It's a Turbo 400. So this is a GSM-5012. It's the install kit. You'll need to know what install kit you need when you buy one of these things. If you have a Chrysler Trans, like a 727, it'd be a different part number, or C4 would be a different part number, or C6. So keep that in mind. You get ready to order one of these things. So yeah, that's everything that was in the box there. We're going to get this stuff mounted into the car here pretty soon, and we're going to figure out exactly where we want to put it. So I'll keep you guys updated and follow along with the progress of this build. It's going to be a really nice car. Got any questions? Shoot them to me in the comment section or a private message.